How's it world? Welcome back to ELWU. We're an exploring family on a mission to travel around the borders of our country, South Africa. As we reach the halfway point, today's episode marks our departure from the Western Cape and our entry into the Eastern Cape. Stay connected by subscribing below to join us on the remainder of our remarkable journey. You can also explore our previous videos to catch up on our earlier adventures. En ook vir ons Afrikaanssprekende kykers, ons waardeer julle en dankie vir julle ondersteuning. After an unforgettable visit to the charming town of Knysna, we are back on the road, eagerly continuing our expedition. Today, our destination is the remarkable village of Nature's Valley, a place that feels like it belongs in another realm. We are embarking on a weekend camping adventure that promises to be truly extraordinary. Once we bid farewell to this hidden gem, our journey will lead us further into the captivating landscapes of the Eastern Cape. Leaving Knysna, the weather got much wetter, enveloping our surroundings in a gentle downpour. The rain veiled the distant scenery, but it didn't dampen our spirits as we ventured through magnificent forests. Despite the limited visibility, the allure of the lush greenery and towering trees captivated our senses, creating an immersive experience on our drive. In Plettenberg Bay, our plan was to embark on a walk through the captivating Robberg Nature Reserve, but it was hindered by the persistent rain. However, undeterred, we made a brief stop in the parking area and hurriedly stepped out to catch a glimpse of the majestic ocean in the distance. The view was awe-inspiring, reminding us of the beauty that surrounds Plettenberg Bay. With a quick toast to this remarkable place, we resumed our journey, ready to embrace the unknown. As we continued our drive, the forests gradually thickened, enveloping us in their lush embrace. Somewhere amidst the clouds, it felt as though we have left the familiar landscapes of South Africa behind, for the scenery that unfolded before us was unlike anything we had expected to find locally. The winding roads glistened with rain, leading us deeper and deeper into the dense forests. Occasionally we encountered expansive farm fields, adorned with vibrant greenery. And to our surprise, we even came across cows leisurely roaming about, lending a touch of charm to the untamed atmosphere we encountered. Perhaps not truly wild, but their presence added to the sense of adventure to the experience. As we ventured deeper into this enchanting wonderland, we find ourselves descending into what felt like a rainforest. A place where the forest itself seemed to dance in the rain. It was a delightful surprise, one that made us wonder why we had never heard of this extraordinary location before. As we neared the quaint and peaceful village of Nature's Valley, nestled between majestic mountains with a serene lake on the one side and the vast ocean on the other, a sense of tranquility enveloped us. We couldn't help but notice canoes resting peacefully on the shores of the lake. However, our priority was to set up camp, fully aware that we were in for a damp experience. Rain was in the forecast, but that wouldn't dampen our spirits. To our delight, we discovered a charming companion at our campsite, a glowworm. Its faint glow proved too elusive to capture on video, resulting in a collection of mostly dark recordings. Nevertheless, its presence added an element of awe to our camping experience. The campgrounds, a part of the Tsitsikama National Park, served as the starting point for two of the most renowned hiking trails in the country, the Otter Trail and the Tsitsikama Trail. The grounds themselves exuded serenity with lush greenery and a peaceful ambience that invited us to unwind and connect with nature. Despite the cold and rainy weather, the seemingly inviting black-colored tea water of the Groot Rivier beckoned us, but we won't be swimming today. As we explored the area, we were greeted by the presence of ancient Outeniqua yellowwood trees, standing tall and watchful over the forest. Their majestic stature added a sense of grandeur to the surroundings, while the abundance of unfamiliar plant life intrigued and fascinated us. Making our way towards the beach, we encountered yet another delightful surprise. As the dark, tea-colored water from the river merged with the sea, a mesmerizing transformation occurred. The resulting waves, crashing into the shore, were a stunning blend of clear brown hues. We were captivated by this unique spectacle, compelled to sit and absorb the beauty of this natural phenomenon. We have visited many beaches before and declared their beauty, but this one stood out as one of the most breathtaking we have ever set foot on. The allure was irresistible, and we couldn't tear our eyes away. I won't spoil the surprise of what awaited us when we turned to look back from the beach. It's something best experienced firsthand. as the sun began its descent, casting a golden glow across the landscape. We reluctantly made our way back to the camp. However, our journey through the village gifted us yet another incredible experience. The sight of majestic light, painting the surroundings with its radiant hues. It was a breathtaking conclusion to a day filled with wonders. As we bid farewell to Nature's Valley, our hearts were heavy, cherishing the moments we have experienced. We took one final look back, etching the memories deep into our minds. Cheers, Nature's Valley. Energized and eager, we hit the road once again in search of giants. Our first encounter was with a natural giant, the magnificent Tsitsikama yellowwood big tree. And continuing a bit further, we will be looking for a well-known landmark, the expansive bridge spanning the Storms River Canyon. With Lucas marveling at an extraordinary mountain view, we ventured forth, driven by the desire to find the next awe-inspiring sight. Our destination led us to the Tsitsikama Big Tree Center, where we embarked on a short hike through the sun-dappled forest. Along the way, we caught glimpses of artistically spun webs, glistening in the rays of the sunlight, creating a captivating tapestry amidst the foliage. Our footsteps carried us closer to an ancient grandfather tree, firmly rooted into the earth, its presence evoking a profound sense of wisdom and timelessness. Continuing our journey, we encountered another tree, one that has met its fate during a stormy night. succumbing to the forces of nature. The fallen trunk, once towering and proud, now served as a home to a myriad of creatures and a sanctuary of various plants. As it gradually faded away, it became a symbol of the cycle of life and the interconnectedness of all living things. Leaving behind the lush jungle, our next stop brought us to the contrasting world of concrete. The renowned Storms River Bridge. Completed in 1956, this bridge has gained both fame and notoriety. It's not a walk for those afraid of heights, as the elevated crossing offers breathtaking views and a thrilling experience. Even though we officially entered the Eastern Cape a few kilometers back, as we crossed this iconic bridge, it symbolized our transition into the next chapter of our journey. Gqeberha is our next destination, but that tale waits for another time. Although we have been traveling for a considerable duration, we realized that there was still so much more to explore. Today's experiences reminded us that our country holds a treasure trove of surprises, with countless hidden gems we never even knew existed. Each new discovery ignited a sense of wonder, fueling our excitement for the adventures yet to come. Come, explore life with us.